Hello, kids. Welcome to Learn with Fun. Hello, kids. Let's learn some colors. Lavender color, rose pink color, brown color, orange color, sky blue color, mint green color. Let's write the number 1 to 10. 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 7, 7, 8, 8, 9, 9, 10, 10. Let's write the lowercase letters. A for art. B for boy. C for cake. D for doctor. E for elbow. F for floor. G for grass. H for hand. I for ink. J for juice. K for knife. L for ladder. M for mushroom. N for nose. O for ocean. P for panda. Q for queen. R for river. S for skit. T for train. U for upstairs. V for volcano. W for watch. X for xylograph. Y for yacht. Z for zipper. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Subscribe.